If x plus 1 upon x is 7, find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. Okay, now very simple. What I would do is I would try to generalize this. I'll take x plus 1 upon x as k and find out the value, and then we can find out a general answer for this. Okay, so we'll square both sides first. We'll get x plus 1 upon x the whole square equals to k square. So left hand side becomes a plus b the whole square, right? It's a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? All right, so when you square, the left hand side becomes x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 into x into 1 upon x, a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So we'll get x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 is k square. Take the 2 on the right hand side. You have x square plus 1 upon x square as k square minus 2. Okay, so for any general value of x plus 1 upon x as equal to k from now on, you can directly find out x square plus 1 upon x square as what? K square minus 2. अब इस क्वेश्चन में x plus 1 upon x k कितना दिया है? 7 दिया है. तो x square plus 1 upon x square क्या हो जाएगा? k के जगह पे हम पुट करेंगे 7. It will be equal to 7 square minus 2. 49 minus 2. Your required answer in this question will be 47. As simple as that, right? Let's go on to the next question, guys. Similarly, if you have x plus 1 upon x equal to 7, how do you find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube? Okay, you can just cube both sides. The left hand side will be a plus b the whole cube, this part here, right? उसका formula क्या होता है? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So in the next step, we just substitute x plus 1 upon x as k, right? So x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus ये 3 बचेगा. 3 into k is equal to k cube. Taking the 3k on the right hand side, you will get k cube minus 3k. So for any general value of k which is equal to x plus 1 upon x as k, for any general value of x plus 1 upon x as k, okay, x cube plus 1 upon x cube कितना हो जाएगा? K cube minus 3k, isn't it? So we can directly put the values. So we can directly put the values here. In this case, k cube, k के जगह पे हम put करेंगे 7. 7 cube minus 3 into 7 is nothing but 343 minus 3 7s are 21. This is basically 322. As simple as that, right? Okay, let's solve one more question based on this, guys. Okay, if x square minus 3x plus 1 is 0, find the value of x square plus x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x cube. I wanted to pause the video and try it out for a few seconds or a minute or so. And if not, you can just look at the solution. Okay. Okay, guys. So we look at the solution for this question. Now, many people get overwhelmed by looking at this question. कि अरे यार क्या दिया हुआ है, क्या पूछा है? It's very very simple. Okay. जो हम अब तक करते आ रहे हैं, what they have done is they have given this in some different form. Okay. अगर मैंने आपको डायरेक्टली x प्लस 1 अपॉन x का वैल्यू दे दिया होता, आपको एक क्वेश्चन इजीली सॉल्व हो जाता, राइट? आपसे एक क्वेश्चन काफी इजीली सॉल्व हो जाता, राइट? So what they have done is they have manipulated. Okay, they have given you a different form of x plus 1 upon x here. Let's see how. So x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 है ना? 3x वहां ले जाओ. You will get x square plus 1 is equal to 3x. Now when you divide by x on both sides, you will have x square plus 1 divided by x is equal to 3. Separate the denominator x square upon x plus 1 upon x is equal to 3. This gives you x plus 1 upon x is equal to 3. If x plus 1 upon x is 3, we know that x square plus 1 upon x square क्या हो जाएगा? 3 square minus 2. Okay, 9 minus 2 is 7. Right? So now what does the question ask? Question तो यही पूछ रहा है ना, इन दोनों का summation, right, guys? They're asking you x plus 1 upon x and x square plus 1 upon x square. इनका summation, right? देखो, x plus 1 upon x तो यही है. And यहाँ पे they have x square plus 1 upon x square, right? So the answer obtained should be the summation of the right hand sides 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. As simple as that. Let's look at one last question based on this, guys. Okay, so if a cube plus 1 upon a cube is 198, find the value of a plus 1 upon a. Okay, now we know that if a plus 1 upon a अगर k के बराबर होगा, a cube plus 1 upon a cube किसके बराबर होगा? K cube minus 3k equals to 198. Okay, so what you can now do is, okay, आपको k का वैल्यू पूछा है, from the option just plug in the values of k and check which one gives you 198. If you put k equal to 3 here, 3 cube is nothing but 27 minus 3k. 3 into 3 will be 9. It's not 198. It's equal to 18, right? Okay. If you put k equals to 4 here, 4 cube is 64 minus 3 4s are 12. This is 52, not equal to 198. If you put k equal to 6, 6 cube is nothing but 216 minus 3 6 are 18 is nothing but 198. It's what you observe, right? And what you want. This is option C.